people like, action. So
Well, along to the farms back in the day. I mean, our original start in the process and everything was going on to Laurene's farm back in the day, and they wanted to bootleg on our farm, and they had kids and everything, and they were like, "Nah, we don't want to do that." But they also ended up they had to pay for their farm and they had to pay for everything. So they eventually were like, "Yeah, we want to do this."
gotta make the
Well,
dough.
it kind of changed things too, where maybe Laurene got her kids went to school and she got bored. But anyways, Laurene became the kingpin of the whole operation. So she kind of created her baker's recipe, which we use today, where their big batch recipe, they made over 300 gallons a day. They were making about 75 bucks a day, which is big back then, but it didn't all go to them. So Laurene decided to make their side batch, where that's what we use today. Their baker's recipe is what we call it, which is the four ingredients: water, sugar, rye, and yeast, and that's it. Frank did all the side batch, so Laurene did all kind of the cooking, doing the batch, doing the rye. Frank did all the side batch, so he was doing all the shipping and everything. So one of the biggest things that they had was their problem was going up the sides of they were all on gravel roads back then. So they had to kind of chain up everything. So Frank's idea was chain up all the chains on everything and nobody here is coming up the sides of the roads. So that was kind of Frank's thing. Like he kind of thought of that and he was doing the shipping. So nobody could hear him going up the sides of the roads when they were doing their deliveries or anything. When dropping it off, you could just pull up there, drop it off, and get it done. Nobody hear those clinking chains or anything.
I mean, this is a whole different world of bootlegging than where I am because bootlegging over here in Manhattan, New York, was old mafia.
Yeah.
You know, this is a guy's just needing a good drink. Locals sharing with locals.
No, yeah. Well, there's different stories of the sheriff too, where back in town, they in Templeton, where we're kind of part portrayed with that. There were the priests downtown, and they actually would let people know when the sheriffs were in town on bootlegging, where they would wear their hat sideways on certain days. Then you would know that somebody's in town.
Priests were in on it, guys.
Yeah, back in the day. I don't
Cover,
know, but
cover for the congregation.
I mean, they're helping people, but it was back in the day, so yeah, it was completely different than it is now.